Hi, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, California, and I'm going to talk to you about how to stagger the rows in your laminate floor. When it comes to staggering the rows, each manufacturer is going to have their own specific measurement that they want you to keep when it comes to end joints and how close they should be aligned. So what I like to do, and I think this works for almost any manufacturer, but you want to check the instructions for yours, is cut 3 boards into thirds. A full length board, a 2/3 length board, and a 1/3 length board. You can install it however you like, whether you go with the 2/3 first, the 1/3, it's up to you. The important thing to remember when installing a stagger in your laminate floor is keeping the end joints and the distance between them to the specifications called out by your manufacturer. Once again, I'm Phil Provins, owner of Top Floor in San Diego, California, and I just showed you how to stagger the rows in your laminate floor.